Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is AG. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel because I bring loads of content for you, from makeup tutorials to makeup transformation to hair tutorials. I got you. So let's get right into this video. So you're gonna need this daily leave-in straightener and some comb. The color of this braiding hair, I used a brown and a silver, a yellowish silver color. I think the brown is 30 and the silver is 29. So this is how far the hair has gone, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do these braids on yourself. So you're going to part a straight line and then cut out like a box shape. It all depends on the size that you want. If you want it bigger, you cut it big. If you want it smaller than what I have, you cut it small. So then you part it into 3 places and start weaving it. I weave it a couple of times, then I go in with the first hair. You want to gradually increase the hair. So from the first one, it should be small. The second one should be a little bit bigger than the other one, and you go like that. So I added hair about 5 times. I added braiding hair 5 times, and at the 4th time you can see how I twist it just so that I could get a much tighter grip on it. And I'm going to show you how to do this. If you didn't really see this raw, I'm going to show you how to do this again. But literally, this is how easy it is. So from here, you're just going to continue weaving till you get to your desired length. And if you want to add, you can always add. I added about 2 more braiding hair to this. But yeah, it all turned out really good. Like I said, you're going to part the hair in 3, weave it a couple of times, add in your first braiding hair and braid that in. Add in another braiding hair that is a little bit bigger than the previous one, braid that in, add in your 3rd one, you braid that in, add in the 4th one, and for this 4th one I'm going to twist my hands. The reason why I'm doing this is just to have like a tighter grip on it and be able to like weave the hair very well. But after this, I add in the last braiding hair and I'm done adding. I'm just going to weave this down till I get to the point that I want, and that is how easy it is to do this hair. I really love the color of this hair. I got a lot of compliments on this hair when I did it. A lot of people were asking me, what color did you use? What color of braiding hair do you use? They said they love the hair, and honestly the hair is giving vibes. It's giving vacay, it's giving soft girl, it's giving ajebota vibes. For the ends, I just left a little piece of braiding hair and I added the leave-in straightener into my hot water to make the coils like silky and smooth and not rough, because I wanted the hair to look full. And I feel the vibe, the hair just came through, like it came out really nice. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Bye.